Bookkeeping is a core part of running any organization. Whether you're a freelancer, nonprofit manager, small business owner, or someone simply trying to manage personal finances more effectively. Yet, for many, accounting software often feels overly complicated, intimidating, or just too expensive. Banana Accounting changes that by offering a lightweight, easy to use accounting solution that feels like using a spreadsheet but delivers the reliability of professional bookkeeping software. With Banana, you get the best of both worlds, the flexibility and familiarity of Excel combined with the structure of proper accounting principles like double entry bookkeeping and VAT reporting. It's offline friendly, fast to set up, and ideal for beginners who want more control without needing formal training in finance. In this video, we'll walk you through Banana Accounting's most valuable features, explain how they can help you stay organized and compliant, and show why it remains a trusted tool in 2025 for those seeking practical, no fuss accounting. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the spreadsheet based interface. At its core, Banana looks and functions like a spreadsheet. Every transaction is entered into a table with editable fields for date, description, debit/credit accounts, amounts, and more. You can copy, paste, filter, and rearrange entries as you would in Excel, but with built-in accounting intelligence behind the scenes. This design lowers the learning curve significantly, especially for users who are used to working with Excel or Google Sheets. You get the ease of a spreadsheet with the structure and accuracy needed to keep clean books. Another key feature is the flexible accounting modes. Banana allows you to select the type of accounting you need, whether it's full double entry for business compliance, a simple income and expense ledger for personal tracking, or a cash book for managing fluid spending. You can also start with one and switch as your needs evolve. It gives beginners a gentle starting point while also supporting more advanced needs as your understanding or business complexity grows. You don't need to change platforms when your requirements change. Another key feature is the multi-currency accounting. For users dealing with multiple currencies, such as digital freelancers, remote teams, or nonprofits with international funding, Banana can assign currency values to accounts, apply exchange rates, and automatically calculate gains or losses due to fluctuations. This removes the headache of converting transactions manually and provides a clear picture of your financials across regions and currencies, all while staying accurate and audit ready. Another key feature is the automated financial reports and VAT handling. With a few clicks, Banana can generate professional reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow summaries, and customizable account summaries. It also supports VAT codes and rules based on your local tax region, helping you manage and report taxes accurately. These built-in tools make it easier to prepare for tax filing, analyze your financial health, or submit reports to funders or partners. You save hours of manual work and reduce the risk of errors. Another key feature is the import and export capabilities. Banana allows you to import bank statements, PayPal transactions, or CSV files directly into your ledger, minimizing the need for manual entry. You can also export your data or reports in various formats, including PDF, Excel, and XML. This integration streamlines bookkeeping workflows and improves accuracy. It also makes collaboration with your accountant, auditor, or tax preparer much easier and faster. So, why is Banana Accounting a great choice? It stands out because it empowers non accountants to manage their books with confidence. Unlike many cloud based tools that require subscriptions, logins, or an internet connection, Banana works entirely offline, making it ideal for users who prioritize privacy, travel often, or live in areas with limited connectivity. In 2025, Banana remains a strong choice thanks to its steady focus on usability. The platform has grown more powerful over time, adding blockchain ready file protection, API integrations, and multi user file sharing features. Yet, it continues to retain its clean, simple interface. What truly makes Banana special is that it doesn't force you into a fixed system. You can fully customize your chart of accounts, currency rules, column names, and workflows. It's accounting on your terms, with the guardrails needed to stay compliant and organized. That flexibility makes it suitable for everyone from solo entrepreneurs and artists to churches, community organizations, and small global teams. So basically, Banana Accounting offers a practical, approachable path to better bookkeeping without the cost, complexity, or technical requirements of larger accounting platforms. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing tax reports, or managing donor funds, Banana gives you the tools to do it right. Its familiar spreadsheet feel makes getting started easy. Its powerful accounting engine helps you grow into more advanced financial management, and its offline capability and one time pricing structure make it an especially attractive option for users who want independence from subscriptions and online only ecosystems. So, if you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way to manage your finances, Banana Accounting is a smart, beginner friendly solution that puts control back in your hands. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.